Hello YouTube, so I'll show you a couple of machines that I've been working on. This one is the old one. This is Acto Enzyme. These old British cylinder lawn mowers. Both of them are basically the same model, but one's the newer model and one's an older version. This one here is a Commodore 17B, which is the newer one. And this one here is Acto Enzyme, which is also a 17B, 17 indicating the size of the roller, 17 inch. They both have the same engine on them. There's 140 cc Southwark engines made by Southwark company here in the UK. They're very nice machines and they're both working. Both of them had problems with the carburetors, which I've cleaned them all out and got them all up and running again, which is very nice. And I'll start them up and let you see them running. Have a choke on it, so you put it into the choke, that's half a choke and that's full run. So we'll start them on a half a choke, so it might get a bit shaky here. Throttle on. There we are, running. You have the throttle here, speed it up, slow it down. Is the Acto Enzyme 17B. Very nice. See, I don't know if you can see, my lawn's a bit ragged anyway, so there's a lovely little stripe in that one. And I'll start up the Commodore for you so you can see the Commodore running. One more look around it. It's just got a height adjuster here, which will just lower. I'll take this off. You'll see the roller here. As you wind it up, it just winds the roller up and down. Very, very simple. Nice large plastic glass box. Okay, it's exactly the same system with this. Half choke. The throttle. Here we go. This one is a newer one, it's got a couple of modifications to it to the other one. This one runs, it's got a centrifugal clutch, so the faster you speed it up, the faster it will go and the clutch will pull it along faster. With this one, it's got two clutches here, this little bar here, with it, that will just engage the cylinder will run, and then as you pull up the second bar, see they both go up together, that will engage the drive, so the drive is run on the rear roller. And the difference with the rear roller too, this has a split roller, see just in the line there, there's a split, whereas this one has one solid welded into three sections, but it's a solid roller, so this one helps you when you're turning. They will turn independently, the two rollers, like on a diff. And that's about the only differences. But these are both defunct now, and they have a more modern one called the mowers, which is a beautiful machine. And I thought I would just like to show you these. You might like to see them. I've got a couple more here, which are all up and running and ready. Yes, it's an American one for you American boys, the Craftsman, with the Honda 5.5 engine. This is a mulch and a bagger, side discharge as well, but I don't ever shoot for that, so so it's just mulch and bag really at the moment. Runs very well. Give it a start up for you. Choke, I just use the manual choke like that. Now. I do like the sound of these Honda engines. Runs so smooth. Yeah, that's all up and running. This will be on the market for sale. And here we have another little Honda. This is a Mountfield. Let's get up here first. This is another one with a rear roller on it. See it down in there. This is the wrong grass box for this. That's how I got it. Someone had cut it around here and just fitted one on there, but I don't like it. But I haven't got another grass box for it, so that one will have to do when I sell it. But dirty, so my next job is to clean them all up and get them ready for sale. I'll start this one up as well for you. The choke, and these have been started up today, so it's the first start for them all. Lovely. It's low, that is. There you have the Mountfield 462R hand propelled. Obviously not got the self-propel on it, and this one isn't. The Craftsman's not self-propel either, but they're both lovely runners. Thank you very much for watching. The next time I think I'll go through me two little trimmers I've got here. Okay, and thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe, and bye bye.